বুঝিস না স্যার বলবে যে কথা বলতে পারবো।
Already you know the syllabus for your CC test will be 2 chapter. Number 1 will be playing with the numbers, and number 2 is the simple and compound interest. Okay, so these 2 chapter is your CC test which will be held in tomorrow. So for the in case of the simple compound interest, you must be keeping the mind the formula for what? For in case of the simple interest, you should be required to know that P into R into T by 100. So from this formula you can be make the all maths from there. Suppose if you require the P, you can write it SI into 100 divided by R into T. If you write R SI into 100 by P into T, and in case of the T you write it SI into 100 divided by P into R. So these 3 cases you can use anyone about the condition, and easily you can find out the whatever solution be there. And another part be required sometimes, amount is equal to principal plus interest. P plus I have written, that is amount means is the principal plus interest be there. Okay, so this formula is sufficient for doing the calculation for in case of the simple interest, and for in the case of the compound interest we have required another formula. Okay, so in the case of the compound interest, we have required the formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Okay, this formula required for what purpose? For in case of the compound interest purpose, we have required to find this formula. So now, just for the recap purpose, if I discuss with you the math, suppose question number 3, 8.1 exercise, question number 3. I'll discuss one math from there. Question number 3. What is say that find the rate of interest when 800 rupees become 130 as the simple interest in 2 years 6 months. So when 800, that means principal is rupees 800. Interest is rupees 130. Time is 2 years 6 months. So always convert it into the year. Don't forget to do that. So 6 1 ja 6 2 ja. So answer will be 5 by 2. So whatever question, if the question asks in your mind that the year and month be there, you always be converted into the month. Sorry, year. So that's why 2 years 6 months means 6 by 12, that is 5 by 2. So whatever question asks, find the rate of interest. Question find the rate of interest. The rate of interest formula will be what? 100 into SI by P into R, P into T. So 100, simple interest what? 130. Principal is what? 800. T is what? 5 by 2. 5 divided by 2 means 5 by 2. Okay, so what is the calculation? 0 0. 2 4 jar, 2 2 jar, 5 13 jar, 13 by 2, that is 6 whole number 1 by 2% we math with it. Clear? Another math. Suppose from question number exercise number 8.2, question number 6. Question number 6, what is given there? Calculate the amount and compound interest on these 2 years when the rate of interest successive years will be 6% and 8%. So whatever there, amount is what? You know the amount will be P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So where the rate of interest be 2 types, you can write it R1, R2 by 100 in this way. So what is the principal be there? Principal be there 6,000, 5,000. What is the rate of percent be there? 6% and 8%. 6 by 100, 1 plus 8 by 100. Okay, then 5,000, 106 by 100, 108 by 100. 1020, 1020, 10 and 0 we cancel. So after that you can do the multiply. 230, 30 be there, 10. 106, 108 divided by into 5 divided by 10. Whatever answer you can get. So this answer will be 57. ডিসকাশন চলছে কেন? ম্যাথ করছিস ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি কর, তাহলে তোরা কোথায় কে বুঝেছিস আর কে কোথায় বুঝলি না সেটা তো আমি বুঝতে পারবো না। জাস্ট ওয়েট। এই কি আছে? Now do this part. That is 21 by 20. That whole cube. 21 by 20 to the power n. This 21 a cube, that is 9261. This 20 cube, that is this. That means n value is what? 3. But semi-annually. That's why question, whatever question asks, so time period 3 divided by 2, 1 whole number 1 by 2 years. Clear? Okay, so last another math. Question number 8. What sum of money will amount to rupees 9261 in 3 years at 5% per annum compound interest? Okay. So what are the answer be there? What sum of money? Question asks will amount to this. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Question asks what sum of money will amount to this? 9261 amount to this. This is the principal. In 3 years, 5% per annum. One by 20 to the power 3. So So 9261. This is 21 by 20, that cube. So 21 a cube is 9261 by 20 cube is 8000. So 9261 is a cancel. So you can get the answer will be rupees 8000. Okay. So in this way you can try to solve all of the problems from there. And best of luck for your exam.